Think Rotary is only about lifts? Think again. With top-of-the-line tire changers, wheel balancers, and alignment systems, you can outfit your entire shop with Rotary. Get your shop changing tires with speed and precision with Rotary's R247D. This pro-performance swing arm changer features an easy-to-use, quick-locking center post that increases productivity and reduces the risk of wheel damage. Or upgrade to our premium leverless tire changer, the R1150. This top-tier changer requires no tire tool, has no metal-to-metal contact, and can handle the most challenging tire and wheel combinations on the market. When it comes to wheel balancers, the R155 does everything you need for a price that'll suit any shop. Plus, it's so easy to use, anyone in your shop can accurately balance wheels. And who said outfitting your shop with alignment equipment should break the bank? Rotary's R1080 features a portable design that can be positioned anywhere within a bay, or in no bay at all, maximizing your workspace and minimizing your cost. Get premium wheel service equipment without the premium price with Rotary.